What the size is it?
Huh? That's what I'm making a video about.
Oh.
That's the point.
I thought you were looking for some shit, huh? My bad. See though.
I figured I'd bring you guys along for this one. I'm sizing a, how you call that?
Teflon seal.
Oh shit, what's it do? We are sizing a torque converter lockup seal here for this 6R140. Lube that up real good like. Slide the seal down. Yeah, I know there's something else you're supposed to use, but I don't have it. This goes there. SIZER. Somebody needed that size a little bit more than I did. Obviously, we don't order a new one. That thing's really expensive. We're gonna make one here. I'm gonna show you how to size Teflon seals in a automatic transmission without having any special tools. Let's do it. The only thing you're gonna need for this is some type of plastic that you can cut out and wrap around this seal. So we're gonna use this trusty Sprite bottle here. Flat piece of plastic, we can wrap it around here, and let's see how long we need this thing to be. We can cut it off about right there. It'll be a hose clamp. We push that bad boy up. Slide that down over there like that. Tighten this thing. Try to keep it right on where the seal is. After about a solid 10 minutes of finagling with this thing here, we have gotten it attached. We're gonna let it sit for a couple minutes. That way it'll size it on down. I wanna say I 10 out of 10 recommend using the actual tool, but just to get you out of a pinch if you were in one. It's been about 5 minutes now. Let's take this off to see what she looks like here. Oh yeah. The shape of that just fine. When you ain't got no sizer, let's get you a piece of plastic, a hose clamp, and a little bit of ingenuity, and you can get it done. Always gotta grease your shaft, ladies. Ah!